Call is now being recorded.
Good morning, one and all. It is our pleasure that Ms. Manisha Bhati ma'am is going to conduct today's session. She is the CEO and co-founder of Dream Hand Trainings, trainer and keynote speaker by profession. Now I request ma'am to take. Manisha ma'am, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. Rupali ma'am, can you hear me? Can everyone hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great to know. Good morning, everyone. Hope each one of you are doing absolutely fine. First of all, let me thank you for taking out time from your busy schedule and moreover, showing us interest in really making a change in the way we take certain things when it comes to SWOT analysis. First of all, I thank the entire team, the management of Vishwakarma Institute of Arts, Science and Commerce for inviting Dream Hunt Training LLP into your platform and giving us this opportunity to communicate with your students. So this really means a lot to us. Once again, thank you each one of you. So let me start with a story. Firstly, I would like to tell you that please let's make it an interactive session. The more it is interactive, the better understanding you will get, and the better understanding I will get as to what exactly are the questions that you're asking and how this webinar can be a fruitful one for you and for us as well, and for you college as well, no doubt. So yes, to everyone out there, let me start with a short story. Uh, so me at the age of 17, when I had completed my 12th standard, I had done my 12th standard from St. Patrick's Junior College. And as soon as my 12th was done, there's a gap of like, if you guys might be very much familiar, आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता होगा कि 12th standard और first year के बीच में वो जो 3 से 4 महीने से का gap जो होता है, उसमें हम कुछ नहीं करते most of the time. So during that time, I was actually not doing anything. And one of my siblings, she said that, you know what, sitting just idle like this, you should start something wherein you should start teaching students, small students, be it schools or college going students and all that. So what I did was the biggest challenge for me was from where to bring the students. Okay, first of all, just 17 to 18-year-old girl who now wants to set up, wants to start earning something, wants to start teaching moreover. That's a different thing, right? Altogether. तो मैंने भी इस चीज में सोचा कि यार कैसे मैं खुद होके सिखाना चालू करूं बच्चों को एंड स्कूल के हो कॉलेज के हो या सीनियर कॉलेज के हो जूनियर कॉलेज के हो. So I didn't know from where to start, and I didn't have any mentor as such. कोई नहीं था लाइफ में, like you know, apart from parents. And I've seen in life, moreover, coming from a very conservative family, I've seen that females are meant to be at home and they are not allowed to take up decisions on their own. And moreover, when there are decisions related to education, related to doing something on your own, no doubt, you cannot do it. No chance at all. So the same thing that was happening with me also. And the biggest challenge for me at that time was that from where to bring the students and moreover to convince the family members as well, Kia, this is what I'm planning to do. And of course, initially I won't rent out any place, but I will plan to take up in my own house. And that is where I slowly and gradually I said, you know what, I should at least take steps, do something. Now I didn't know from where does these pamphlets are made, क्या करना रहता है exactly, pamphlet में क्या involved रहता है, exactly क्या करना है मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था. I just went to the cyber cafe at that time, nearly like 10 to 12 years back. I went to the cyber cafe, sat in front of the laptop and started working. So I just wrote Manisha Bhati, my contact number, my, you know, the address and the subjects, accountancy and banking and finance. And on the other side, also wrote that we are experienced teachers of this much experience and all that. So all these pamphlets were made, and you won't believe, in one paper, 4 pamphlets were made. So I was cutting those papers into small pieces. And this was something I literally started from the scratch. So I distribute, you know, separated those papers into 4, and I went to my campus in the normal home wearing clothes, and I started distributing, and I was very nervous. The biggest threat I can say for me was that I was very nervous. Guys, let me tell you, I am telling you this story because this is very much related to the SWOT analysis that you are going to compare yourself with. Okay, so basically, as you know, SWOT analysis ka matlab hai strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So that is where I started taking up steps. I was like, what's worse that is going to happen? Let me at least give it a try. कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या हो सकता है? So I started taking up these opportunities where campus के बाहर खड़े रह के मैं खुद के ही कॉलेज में बांट रही थी, and there were certain students who were asking me questions and I was very happy to answer them. On the other side, there were certain students who actually took it in their hand and within 4 to 5 steps they threw it down. So that is where pamphlet का value उतना ही रहता है, few seconds का होता है. And the biggest nervousness or the biggest disappointment on that day or in those couple of days was that I could see my own hard work into my own feet, below my own foot. And it was so discouraging and so disappointing that I was like, what step have I taken? ये सच में मुझे करना चाहिए था कि नहीं करना चाहिए था? So that was the biggest question and I was really very discouraged. मुझे बहुत ज्यादा बुरा लग रहा था and घर पे आके मैं थोड़ा उदास थी and I was like, फालतू में ये सब किया मैंने and what the students might be saying. I started becoming judgmental. जिस वक्त हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा जजमेंटल होने लगते हैं उस वक्त हम बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करते हैं खुद के लिए, मोर ओवर खुद के लिए, बिकॉज दूसरे के पास इतना वक्त नहीं है. Let me tell you, in the world that we are living in, nobody has that much time to get into your life and actually know what are your strengths, your weaknesses, what are you good at, what are you not good at, what are the opportunities that you're grabbing. Nobody gives a damn about it. Okay, the world that we are living in, especially the instant gratification वाला world, जो technology वाला world है, social media का, इसमें तो थोड़ा भी chance नहीं है. So that is what it happened with me, and at that time the technology was booming a lot. It has actually started coming in. तो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा जैसे मैंने स्टेप्स लेने लगी तो मुझे डिस्करेजमेंट्स एंड डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स दे वर हिटिंग मी बैक ऑन रह रह के वो जो डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स थे मुझे हिट कर रहे थे. रिजेक्शंस बहुत ज्यादा हो रहे थे. जैसे ही रिजेक्शंस हो रहे थे आई वाज लाइक one day I was done and I was like, no, it's not worth it and I'm not going to go for it. So one fine day I just went home. I was sleeping on my bed and I was like, I got up when a call came onto my phone and I was like, hello. And that person said that, ma'am, this is Oscar and today I had met you. You had distributed the pamphlets and I would like to know about your this classes. So then I was very surprised at that moment because इतने दिन हुए मुझे कोई calls नहीं आ रहे थे. And then all of a sudden when I received this call, I got a certain kind of happiness and encouragement that, okay, there's someone who has reverted back. So this person said, and I was very curious and enthusiastic equally to give answers towards whatever he's asking me. So all his queries were, entertained, no doubt. But on the other side, I made sure that he was closed from my side and he was very convinced. And he came. So you won't believe, जैसे जैसे बच्चे आते गए, first year it was 5, second year it was nearly 15 to 20, third year it was 25, fourth year it was like, the amount of students was increasing day by day by day. So can someone tell me what was the number one thing I realized about me? Let's make it now a interactive session. Now the story was this much. And what do you think? What was that number one thing because of which I was able to, move forward and excel in this classes thing? Can someone answer it, please?
Patience and hard work, I guess.
Prapti Patil says patience and hard work. Okay.
Confidence.
Prapti, what is the number one thing? Okay, Farhan says something. Farhan?
Yes, confidence.
Farhan says confidence. Okay. A few answers more.
You should keep going no matter what. You should keep trying.
Shreya says keep going. Sahil says persistence. Atharva says faith. Suraj Ankola says never give up attitude and patience. Wow, beautiful answers. A few more. Come on. You guys are very near. A few more. few more. What is the number one thing? Mustafa says, believe in yourselves. Good, good, good. Then we have Shankar, if I'm not wrong, he says consistency. Okay. Then Divyani says, be ready to take efforts. Yash says, focus. Kushi says, having hope. Okay, hope with hard work, efforts. Hard work is always paid off. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So the number one aspects. Sakshi Agarwal says taking initiative. Of course, without this, it is not possible. The number one thing is taking initiative. Okay. सबसे 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 ज्यादा important चीज जो मुझे अपने आप के बारे में समझ में आई in these couple of years, as and when my students were increasing, was that I am good at the work that I am doing towards teaching. ये एक नंबर वन चीज मुझे मेरे बारे में समझ में आ गई थी कि जैसे ही मैंने कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ एवरी ईयर सेम एफर्ट्स, डबल एफर्ट्स, सेम एफर्ट्स, डबल एफर्ट्स, जितना ज्यादा मैंने 100% दिया, उतना ज्यादा एफर्ट्स मुझे मेरे नजर आ रहे थे. And that is where I started realizing that, you know what, bang on, I am good as a trainer. I am good as a teacher. And the number one thing that I really, really remember and am confident about me and my team is that every year consistently it is our student who comes first in their college. And it's a record, believe me. तो ये मेरा जो रिकॉर्ड है, ये पहले से हमने ये जो कंटिन्यू रखा था. ऑफ कोर्स इनिशियल 4 to 5 years it was me alone, सिंगल आर्मी जैसा होता है ना, सिंगल मैन आर्मी जो हम बोलते हैं, सेम वैसे ही उसी तरह से 20-30 बच्चों को मैं संभाल लेती थी. अभी राइट नाउ ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ चेन ऑफ ट्रेनिंग्स एंड क्लासेस दैट वी टेक अप, जिसकी वजह से couple of trainers and teachers we have appointed. But believe me, the kind of confidence that we build up every day, it's just because of the consistent hard work. तो उसी वक्त मुझे मेरा स्ट्रेंथ समझ में आया. मुझे मेरा सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रेंथ उसी वक्त समझ में आया. यार अगर मेरा बच्चा कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ फर्स्ट आ रहा है, इसका मतलब मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस 3 गुना ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है. And that is where I capitalized. So number one learning to each one of you, जिस वक्त आप मैदान पे उतरोगे, 10 बार गिरोगे. If you remember, I fall down. Even today, let me tell you, even today I face rejections and I fall down. But in my initial stage, when I was like you, like 17, 18, 19, every year, I was also taking up classes. But on the other side, I was learning. बच्चे आने के पहले मैं क्या करती थी? I used to get thorough with the syllabus. What I have to teach, what I have to do. So this kind of hard work, guys, this kind of patience and consistency, all these things are a kind of, club sandwich की तरह. Club sandwich इतना अच्छा क्यों लगता है हमें? क्योंकि इसमें काफी सारे ingredients है, काफी सारे vegetables है. उसी तरह से हमारे जो skills है, वो थोड़े सब हम में होने बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. और जिस वक्त मुझे ये समझ में आया कि मेरा सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा स्ट्रेंथ ये है कि मैं हजारों बच्चों को 1 घंटा नहीं, 2 घंटा नहीं, 6 से 7 घंटा वन स्ट्रेच में वर्कशॉप्स ले सकती हूँ, दैट टू इक्वल एंथुजियाज्म. मैं चाहूंगी कि आई मेक श्योर दैट द स्टूडेंट्स एंड द कॉर्पोरेट्स आर इक्वली एंथुजियास्टिक लाइक मी. उसमें ज्यादा मजा आता है. तो उसी तरह का जो इंटरैक्टिव हमारे वर्कशॉप्स होते थे, आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज मेक श्योर that students enjoy it, students learn from it, they get out from this stress buster वाला ये जो चीज है ना, academics का stress, corporates का है, corporates का stress, बहुत सारे family का stress है लोगों को. There are so many things that we are already bugged up with, but that doesn't mean that we always give a reason about the same. Then comes to the second point. Yeah, to the first point, as I said, strengths. जिस दिन आप मैदान पे उतरोगे, 10 बार गिरोगे, जब तक आपको समझ में नहीं आएगी चोट कितनी गहरी है या किस हद तक आपको रुकना पड़ेगा उस चोट को पूरी तरह से ठीक होने में, आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा कि from where to start and what to do. So it's very important for us to feel that pain. Do not always expect a spoon feeding. जितना ज्यादा स्पून फीडिंग के एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखोगे, उतना ज्यादा जल्दी आपका सक्सेस आपके हाथ से चला जाएगा. सो थिंक before taking any step in your life, I would always say, always focus on your strengths and capitalize on it. Me being a women entrepreneur, I became an entrepreneur at the age of 23, you won't believe. I was working in Deutsche Bank for 2 years as a financial analyst, simultaneously taking up classes. And in my personal life, there was some shit that was happening with me. All these things at this three things at the same time I was tackling. But guess what? I didn't give up. Because I had that one thing that was every day building up, that I am enjoying my work. People are liking my work. And when you get a very good feedback, there's no way that you look back again. फिर तो राजधानी है, फिर तो आपको आगे बढ़ना ही. Okay, so number one point of strength is that I want each one of you to start analyzing yourself as to what are you good at. और ये एक दिन में नहीं, एक हफ्ते में नहीं, एक महीने में नहीं, ये कम से कम couple of months में आपको समझ में आएगा कि कौन सी चीज में आपको ज्यादा मजा आ रहा है, और उसी में चीज में वक्त कब बदल रहा है आपको नहीं पता, वक्त कब भाग रहा है आपको नहीं पता. That is called that you are very passionate about. Okay, so I have Saad Sayed says, I think first we should understand what are we going to do. Then we should prepare ourselves to achieve that task and keep going on. That's what I said, Saad. Very good, very good. Khushi says self-confidence. Atharva says taking that one foot forward, that will change your life. Take that one step forward, वो चाहे right leg हो या left leg हो, वो कोई भी हो, आप वो एक step लो तो सही. जरूरी नहीं वो first step success की प्रति जाएगा, जरूरी नहीं वो first step failure ही करेगा. Irrespective of the result, you take that step. Not once, not twice, but again and again. That is very important. Coming to the second aspect, me being a women entrepreneur at the age of 23, I realized that, you know what, now my students are increasing day by day every year. And we take up coaching of confidence enhancement, interview cracking skills. We make sure that our students 101% are placed into companies. We make sure of that. Until unless they do not become absolutely confident, we don't leave them. That is what we have always, हमारा वो radar में रहता ही है. On the other side, classes. On the other side, corporate training. So all these couple of things, single person cannot handle, right? A woman entrepreneur cannot do it. Vishakha says, think always positive. Yes, definitely. So being a woman entrepreneur, I could not do it alone. So what I had to do, the biggest challenge for me at that point of time was that I was not able to market myself well. So for that marketing, we actually had to hire a particular team. A couple of people I had to hire. And that is where I had to make sure that I have to first know what are my weaknesses. My weakness was that I'm not good at marketing. My weakness was that I could not run everywhere bombarding about myself, but I very well knew what is my strength. And I always focused on capitalizing my strength. So weakness ke liye bhi kya karu main? So what I do is, on my weakness, I will make sure that I will find a substitute for the same. Because we are human beings, right? We cannot be 100% perfect in everything, and we shouldn't be also perfect in everything. There should be one particular aspect of field into your life that you are absolutely 101% fantastic in that, and nobody can catch your hand in that. You have to make sure of that one strength in you. कि रात को 3 बजे उठ के भी मनीषा को किसी ने कहा कि चलो बूम, यूएस का एक सेशन है इतने बजे, 2 से 3 घंटे का ये सेशन है, you have to just start webinar, bang on. I make sure that even if it is a midnight session, it's an absolutely perfect session the way I'm speaking right now during my daytime. इसी तरह का ये जो स्ट्रेंथ मैंने जब रियलाइज किया मेरा कि यार मैं बोलने में मैं एक भी स्टेप पीछे नहीं रहूंगी, मुझे मजा आ रहा है बात करने में, मुझे अच्छा लगता है एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करने में. I like when people do their best in their corporates, do their best in their college days, do the best in their graduation. And that is where I realized that I am good at speaking, at connecting, at taking up activities, but I'm not good at bombarding about myself. So strength, so मेरे weaknesses का क्या substitute लिया मैंने? मैंने एक काम किया, मैंने एक टीम हायर कर दी, और वो टीम थोड़ी भी मेरी तरह स्पीकिंग में अच्छी नहीं है, बट वो टीम अपने स्ट्रेंथ्स के हिसाब से मार्केटिंग में अच्छी है. I hope you guys are getting what I'm trying to say. Everybody has their strengths and weaknesses. Everybody getting me? Please say hi.
Yes,
Say
ma'am.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
I want some more. Yes, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That's great to know. I have to bit move. Yeah. Thank you for your yeses, guys. Thank you. Yes, we have lots and lots of yeses. That's great. Then comes to the part where, and you know, when my entire team, the content person was doing the content, the teaching part that I was handling, the marketing part, my marketing team was handling. As and when slowly and gradually we got a team of 11 members, and all these respective members are best in their respective fields. I do not expect my teammates to be absolutely perfect in speaking. And they do not expect me to be absolutely perfect in content writing or marketing or engineering or social media marketing or digital, whatever. I am just not good at that. I tell that openly, you know. Technical also. Even the technical part, you won't believe at times, my team makes sure that they will set up all these technical aspects of my laptop or anything that is need to be connected more or, you know, reduced. My team will take care of that. I'm not good at it. I don't have time for that. And people can, you know, people may say like, oh, what? 2 minute ka kaam hai. But it's okay. I don't have time. I'm just not interested. It's okay. I'm good at reading. I'm good at grasping knowledge. I'm good at vomiting that knowledge again. I'm good at sharing it away. That is what strengths and weaknesses are, guys. I want you guys to analyze them as much as possible. और वो एनालाइजेशन ऐसे नहीं होगा घर में बैठ के, कॉलेज में बैठ के. नो, हमें मैदान पे उतरना ही पड़ेगा. हमें जानना ही पड़ेगा कि मैंने ये चीज 10 बार ट्राई की तो भी ये चीज मेरे हाथ में नहीं आ रही है. क्या मैं स्ट्रेस में होके ये काम कर रहा हूँ कि क्या मैं एंजॉयमेंट के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ? अगर मैं एंजॉयमेंट में काम कर रहा हूँ, एंजॉय करते भी काम कर रहा हूँ, तो भी अगर नहीं मिल रहा है, दैट मीन्स दैट थिंग इज नॉट फॉर मी. बट अगर किसी के प्रेशर में आके अगर मैं कोई काम कर रहा हूँ, तो definitely it's your weakness, right? It's definitely a weakness. You cannot pressurize yourself to work. If you pressurize yourself to work, it completely gets transformed into a stress. So it's better that you realize what you're good at and start working at it. And teamwork will always be we. And that is where our trainings and everything is always we. It's not always I. Manisha is not there. The entire team is there. That is what, okay? Then comes the third part. This is a part which is very, very, very near to my heart. And I always share, because the best of the universities that we go, just like the college that you guys are blessed with, so many universities we've been into, not only nationally, but internationally, Symbiosis, all kind of universities we've seen. This is the number one aspect that I've always and always elaborated as much as possible. And that is opportunity. Opportunity is something जो ये नहीं देखती है कि आप कौन सी चीज में अच्छे हो, कौन सी चीज में बुरे हो. Opportunity आपके सामने आई है, grab it. चाहे वो opportunity कोई ocean में डुबकी मारने की हो. I'm not telling you to actually do that, but what I'm saying is do something so that you come to know that was it meant for you or no. But if you don't do it, lifetime you'll say यार एक अच्छी opportunity मुझे मिली थी, but मैं वो कर नहीं पाई. Let me give you one example for the same. It was a normal day, office day for my entire team. And as you know, पूरे India में thousands of training institutes हैं. So we are amongst one of them. So one day I was just on the laptop and my partner, Sridhar, was there. And he just said that, what are you doing? And I said, like, nothing, yaar, I'm just filling a form. So he said that, yeah, just leave it now. Just, it's not a cup of tea. And ऐसे तो बहुत सारे forms आते रहेंगे. Guys, I want you to listen to this very carefully, please, because it's going to be highly relatable for you. So he said that just leave it, no, like it's not a cup of tea. And I don't think अपने काम में आएगा ये कुछ भी. अरे नहीं यार, I was like, no, it's your story, this media house, and information भरने में क्या जाता है, just normal details मांग रहे हैं वो लोग, नाम क्या है institution का, existence कब हुआ था, when incorporation कब हुआ था, and what do you do exactly. So I typed everything. We typed what were the challenges that we had in the initial years, and why did I sell off my gold and everything. So everything that was there, and I just typed out everything. And it took me nearly like 45 minutes, literally. So he said that this is it. And it's been more than 30 minutes and tu ek hi kaam leke bathi hai and we are done. Just come on, give it. 5 minutes, I'll just do it. And I immediately just submitted the form and went. And believe me, that form that I was filling was from the spam. That wasn't even from the primary inbox, jo apna hota hai. मेरी आदत ऐसी है कि मैं स्पैम भी चेक करती हूँ. I always make sure that any damn thing that I have in my phone, I make sure in my laptop, I'll check it. So that is what that day I could see this link. वो by mistakenly या तो spam में गया होगा, and I just opened that mail and I made sure that I filled the entire details about us. And we started with our different work after that form submission on the laptop. And I could see on the next day, I received a call from Delhi, New Delhi, and they say that you've been nominated for amongst couple of institutions stories, okay? Institutions जो already set up है इंडिया में, उनके couple of stories में से आपकी एक story को चुना गया है nomination में. And I was like, okay. And I discussed this with my team and I said, guys, we've got this something, see, like this. And they started laughing at me and it's like, New Delhi, literally, from Pune to New Delhi. And पागल बना रहे, और ऐसे तो बहुत सारे calls आते हैं, call centers के, ये वो, they might be asking money from you, this, that. No, they didn't ask a single penny. They just said that you have to come for the award. And you might get an award. And I was like, no, yeah, they didn't ask for any money. They just said that this is the date. And this is the chief guest who's going to go felicitate the award, Mr. Giriraj Singh, who was the Union Minister of State at that time. And it was very difficult for me to convince my teammates because I had to actually prove myself, and I've actually not proven till date. मुझे नहीं था, possible ही नहीं था. अरे गलत निकली तो ये डांटेंगे मुझे, और सही निकली तो, you know, it might be something great. And they were like, no, we are not going to go, and this is not going to happen, and फालतू में अपना खर्चा होगा, all the way New Delhi जाके आना ये वो. So 3-4 दिन बचे थे, and they were like, what we did is that every day I was following up with them, and I was like, are you guys genuine? Are you guys genuine? And they were like, ma'am, of course we are genuine. You can see our website and everything. And the silliest question I was asking them, you know, so like a dumb person. Then I said to my partner, you know what, we need to go, and this is a life-changing opportunity for us. And please, you have to listen to me, and we have to go. And it was very difficult at the initial stage for me to convince him, but it was possible. So he was like, okay, chalo, let's go. And there you won't believe, we could see a big conference hall, a room that was actually set it up, and we were amongst those 25 awardees that were going to get felicitated in their respective field. And we were awarded into the field of education and learning. And all of a sudden, a Dream Hunt training was announced, and I was so much shocked. We were so much surprised to know that our story was inspired by the thousands of youngsters out there, the university people out there. And they were inspired that you, being a young generation, just at the age of 23, you guys had set it up your own training institute. And this is commendable. And that is where we were felicitated. We were supported by the government and various private institutes. And you won't believe, just because of that one opportunity that I grabbed of just filling a particular form, transformed the entire 360 degrees life of our entire training institute. And the entire India started recognizing our work, was inspired, and was inviting us for various seminars, webinars, and workshops. So guys, I just wanted to tell you the stories because out of nowhere, you can't even know aapka data kahan pe ja raha hai. You have to make sure that you grab any opportunity that is coming your way. I am not saying that go out over there in the market and buy out opportunities. No, it's not possible. But at least we can grab opportunities that are coming to us. please make sure that you always grab the opportunities that are coming to us, because without this it is not possible for you to ever do something extraordinary in life. Is everyone with me till here? Say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Your yeses are a motivating factor for me as well, so it really means a lot. So this is where I think this is just a small story that I shared with you. There are till date n number of opportunities. As an individual I grab, as a team we grab, and there are certain sections where those opportunities are not of use to us, but there are certain sections where people are appreciating the work that we are doing, where opportunities are opening the doors of our targets. When opportunities open, automatically you come to know that मेरे target को मुझे reach कैसे करना है. Opportunity को आप knock ही नहीं कर रहे हो, तो opportunity दरवाजा खोलेगी कैसे? Third point that I just now said was opportunities. Always make sure that the more opportunities that you grab, the better. In that part also, you will better understand that what are your strengths and weaknesses. These are all linked to each other. They are all linked to each other. Then comes to the part of threat. I don't call it threat. I more of a call it a challenge. Okay? So whenever, as and when these steps that we take in life, see, just imagine yourself now. In a couple of months, you've realized your strength. You've realized what you're not good at, your weakness. Then slowly you also realized that there are opportunities that are coming to me, and might be some opportunities are not of positive, are not turning out to be positive, but there are certain opportunities who are turning out to be, in my favor. Yeah. So on the other side, thirdly, you say that there are certain opportunities which are coming back or which are backing up with too much of threats and challenges. कि यार ये challenge है, बहुत ज़्यादा challenging है और पता नहीं मैं पार कर पाऊंगी या नहीं. When such kind of challenges or threat come in front of you, I would suggest either of one. Take it or leave it. If you take it, go into the depth of the ocean and feel the depth of the ocean and come up. You will automatically come up. आपको पता है ना, ओशन के डेप्थ को आप टच करके अपने आप ऊपर आते हो. स्विमिंग पूल के डेप्थ को हम अपने आप टच करके ऊपर आ जाते हैं. अपने आप पानी अपने को ऊपर फेंकता है. उसी तरह से जैसे ही आप चैलेंजेस एक्सेप्ट करोगे ना, वैसे ही वो जो चैलेंजेस है वो पानी है. एक्सेप्ट करो चैलेंजेस को. जैसे ही एक्सेप्ट करोगे वो पानी अपने आप आपको ऊपर फेंकेगा. चैलेंजेस अपने आप आपको ऊपर सक्सेस के प्रति मूव करेगा या पुश करेगा. इवन इफ आपको सक्सेस नहीं मिला, कुछ तो लर्निंग तो जरूर मिलेगी आपको. एंड इफ यू हैव अ हंगर ऑफ लर्निंग, एक्सेप्ट थ्रेट्स एंड चैलेंजेस. दैट्स इट. Threat is something I would not elaborate to that extent, but I think this is what I would always want each one of you to accept threat. If you accept it, get into the depth of it and come up like a phoenix, fly like a phoenix. If you don't accept it, leave it, but do not look back towards it. Because it's okay. Life में अगर कोई चीज हमने खो दी है या कोई चीज के प्रति हम नहीं एक्सेप्ट कर पा रहे उसको, it's absolutely fine. But do not pressurize yourself. I understand over pressure से ही हीरा बनता है, but हम हर कोई हीरा नहीं बन सकते. There has to be someone who is copper, who is gold, who is silver, right? Who is iron. But it's okay. आप में ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे या मुझ में वो पोटेंशियल है, एक हीरे की, एक डायमंड की. Accept those threats and challenges. And you know, you do not have to show the world. Please. दुनिया को हमें बताना ही नहीं हम कितने होशियार हैं. But अपने आप में हमें होशियार रहना है. You have to be so smart in every decision of your life. Irrespective of the decision is a success or a failure. If it's a success, move forward. If it is a failure, again move forward, but with a learning. Okay, I'm open for question and answers for next 15 minutes. Come on. I hope मेरा जो प्रवचन है आपको 35 मिनट्स का समझ में आया होगा, राइट? और या नहीं आया तो भी आप बोल सकते हो. You can definitely tell me if I missed out anything. Say something. Hello? I can't hear anyone. Can we hear yes or no?
If you have any doubts, ma'am is ready to answer all your questions.
Guys, any question, please ask me. Even if it is not related to
Anything.
SWOT. Please ask me. Any question, please ask me, even if it is not related to SWOT. Because your question might be next 10 people's question. So you're not only helping yourself, but to your teammates as well, your classmates as well. If we need to do something, then from where do we have to start? Ekta Sharma asks, she's asking us if we need to do something. So from where do we have to start? The very first thing is to realize what is that something? Okay, Ekta, what is that something? Are you passionate enough towards that something? Second thing, are you passionate enough towards that something? Thirdly, are you ready to undertake the n number of sacrifices towards that? And that is where the yes and no and the journey starts. And then only you have to start, otherwise don't start. Because every field that you go, in our language, we say it's very difficult. Science, very difficult. Commerce, accounts, very difficult. Arts, language is very difficult. So that is where, firstly, I would like you to suggest you find out that accurate something. Not many somethings, accurate something. And then slowly and gradually, how badly you want to do that something. How much enthusiastic are you? What sacrifices you're ready to do. And then you can start with it. Okay? Sahil says, the vision is the base. Yes, Sahil. Aapka vision kitna bada hai? Guys, I would request each one of you that if you are looking for your such kind of trainings when it comes to confidence enhancement, soft skills, or communication skills, or debates and discussions, and interview cracking skills, entrepreneurship trainings, you can write it in the feedback so that the college goes through it, and the college can invite us for regular sessions of such, because they have included this, I think, into your syllabus. And I'm very proud of the college that they have actually opened the doors of opportunities for you students. So now it's your job to grab the opportunity and make the most of it. And even if you feel that you have that much of time for accountancy classes, for any kind of maths related classes, please reach back to us. Okay, I am there in the session, don't worry. You can reach on this number, Dream Hunt Trainings. Okay, my teammate will definitely guide you with the same. Her name is Violet, and she will definitely guide you with the same. Even if you're looking for accountancy, classes, BBA, BBA, IB, or BBM, BCom, any kind of accountancy. And on the other side, even if you guys want such trainings, you can go through our website also. We have a YouTube channel, and we would wait for your feedback. If you enjoyed it, please give a feedback. If you didn't enjoy it, please give a feedback. We will respect that, and we will make sure that we improve accordingly. Saad Sayed says, ma'am, I have seen a lot of my friends who are shy of speaking in front of people. I try to motivate them, but still I can't help them. Can you suggest me something that I can build their motivation? Sad motivation related to talking in front of people, that is public speaking, is something which should come from within. And it cannot be pushed or over motivated to someone. So I would suggest, since you've asked me a suggestion, you can suggest them back that let's grab up opportunities where हम 4 से 5 लोग debates and discussions करते हैं. Slowly and gradually आपका जो groups है वो बढ़ाओ. Groups जैसे जैसे बढ़ेगा वैसे वैसे उनका shyness खत्म होगा. और ये shyness 1 या 2 दिन में खत्म नहीं होता है. Let me tell you, at least in a couple of months, if regularly you're taking up such webinars, such group discussions and everything, I am very sure that your friends will get away from the fear of speaking in front of the public. And we ourselves also in 3-month training, we do the same thing. We make sure that a couple of people are in front of us. We give them topics. There are various activities because of which people enjoy speaking and they make the most of their opportunity. So I just want you guys also to grab the opportunity, please. Okay, sir? Okay.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. Students, feedback link is shared. Please take a minute and fill the feedback form.
Please fill the feedback form and then you can ask the question, please. Thank you, Dheeraj, for filling the feedback. Mustafa, thank you. Thank you for your time. Hope to see you again.
Okay, students, don't start leaving. I have to make an announcement. So I'm going to share a Google form on your WhatsApp group. Students need to submit picture of their self-SWOT analysis to get the certificates. Okay, I want everyone to perform this activity. Don't start leaving. Ma'am, I think they don't have any questions now. So shall we conclude the session?
Sure. No problem.
Okay.
So I would like to thank each one of you, to the entire team of VCACS College. And thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. And to each one of you, the students, thank you.
Okay. On behalf of Vishwakarma College of Arts, Commerce, Science, I, Rupali Tavre, would like to thank today's speaker, Miss Manisha Bhati, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable guidance. This is really going to help us. I'm very thankful to all the participants for attending the meet. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am. It was a wonderful session.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Take care.
Ma'am, shall I end today's meet?
Yeah.
Thank you once again, ma'am.